In a quiet but relentless possession, Zimbabwe has been bearing its senior military generals at a pace that analysts, civil society observers, and ordinary citizens are struggling to explain away as coincidence or natural attrition. Between April 2024 and March 2026, at least 13 separate burial events have taken place at the National Heroes Acre in Harare, 10 of them involving military officers at Brigadier General rank or above. Zimbabwe's generals are dying at a rate that is no regional parallel every month. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. That is a rate at roughly one general per 5 to 6 months. When compared with Zimbabwe's neighbors and fellow former liberation struggle states, Mozambique and Zambia, the contrast is not merely stark, it is extraordinary. In late April 2024, President Mnangagwa presided over the burial of Brigadier General Sadc alongside two other national heroes at the National Heroes Acre, the second triple burial in Zimbabwe's history since independence. It would prove to be the opening act in an unbroken series of high-profile military funerals. Brigadier General retired Romeo Daniel Muchunguma, who yet served as Zimbabwe's defense attaché to the United States, died on June 19, 2024 at the age of 67 and was interred at Heroes Acre on July 1. 3 weeks later, Brigadier retired Michael Shaminuka, whose Chimurenga name was Pepka Hondo, was buried after dying on July 13 from a short illness, aged 62. Before August was out, General Makethi Ndwele, a former Zebra High Command member who died at his own Caudray Park, Bulawayo at 82, was also laid to rest at the National Shrine. Most recently, Brigadier General retired Jonathan Willie Hongwe, who collapsed and died at his farm in Mwenezi, was buried at the National Heroes Acre on 6 March 2026. One spokesman commentator captured the public mood blandly, writing that Mnangagwa delivered yet another speech that echoed those he has given countless times before, as yet another hero is buried, and citizens grow increasingly accustomed to the rhythm of state funerals. The government itself has quietly acknowledged the pace, announcing the addition of more than 100 new graves at Heroes Acre under an ongoing expansion program. Doma developments ari kushamisa vanhu pamusana pekufa kuri kuita magenerals. Pina comment section medu zvafungiro enyu motodipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.